So we're going to do a... Okay, so this is the post-processing. How do we basically get the information that we took from the LiDAR into the computer, and how can we dump the files? There's two things you need to do. One, obviously we don't have any batteries, you see, so the LiDAR itself isn't turned on. So the way to do that is you can take basically the same 4-prong male right here with this battery pack, and what you do is, on the side of the LiDAR box, right here, you'll see that there's a button for power, right? That button for power, simply all you do is you screw it off and you replace it with the 4-prong male that is going into some type of energy source, some type of 120 volt. Okay, so once this is powered on, it's kind of hard to hear, but basically you can feel it and you can see that you can hear that the LiDAR system itself is on. All right, so it's hard to kind of focus on here. Now this is an important number actually while we're down here to take into consideration. This is actually the serial number of the box, which is what I'm going to show you next, which is how we're going to basically establish the connection from the drone to the computer. The cord you need for that is a 5-prong male and an Ethernet cable that's attached. Where this goes, and this is kind of a hard component to find, but it's down here, is underneath